Once you have learned the basics of CSS, now is the time to move to our CSS library. If you ask why you should use CSS libraries, basically vanilla CSS is good to grasp the concept, but practically if you start writing each code from scratch in CSS, it will take a huge amount of time. So in comes popular CSS libraries and framework which you can use to speed up your development process. In today's video, we are going to mainly talk about 3 most popular CSS frameworks, or you can say libraries. First is the Bootstrap. This is one of the most popular and most oldest CSS framework which has some JS plugins as well. To use Bootstrap in your project, you can simply include the CDN on your head section and get started. And you can see the documentation where you can see bunch of the components and classes. Let's say you want to add a select box, you can add this type of select box. Similarly, you want to add a check button or a radio button, or you want to add accordion or basic buttons. You can see here option. Few advantages of Bootstrap is that it has many components built in on it. You can use them for absolutely free, and it has a very large community, so if you get any error you can find solution very easily. One con of the Bootstrap is that they take a huge amount of size, so it might take time to load a web page. If you are using a simple landing page, it might take time to load, so people prefer other libraries. And another con of Bootstrap is that there is very less customization option, and all the website will look same if you use Bootstrap only, as it is widely used by everyone. Second library which you can use is called Semantic UI. This is also another popular CSS library which you can use. I previously used to prefer Semantic UI over Bootstrap as it had some refreshing components and good user interface designs. You can choose from plethora option, buttons, basically save button, and you can show a place loader, and you can create this kind of place loader. Compared to Bootstrap, it provides refreshing UI interfaces, but still the problem with Semantic UI is it takes a huge amount of size, so it might take time to load the pages. So in comes our third and most popular CSS frameworks to nowadays, which is Tailn CSS. Tailn CSS is one of the most popular CSS frameworks which are used popularly nowadays. It is mainly popular due to its simple class names and its simplicity to use, and also its customization where you can customize the classes as well as customize the components very easily. But there are also some cons on Tailn CSS, which are that while learning Tailn CSS, the setup and learning the class might be a little difficult. And once you start using Tailn CSS, the class section will be huge and the CSS will be bloated with multiple CSS classes. Due to its customization and lightweight nature, Tailn CSS is most popularly used by everyone nowadays. Which CSS framework are you excited to learn, or which CSS framework are you currently using? Let me know in the comment down below. See you on next video. Bye bye.